Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your Microsoft account password. Alright, let's begin. If you ever forget your password, it is very simple to reset it and regain access. First, head over to the official Microsoft sign-in page, enter your email address, phone number, or Skype name, and click Next. On the password entry screen, click the Forgot Password link underneath the input field. To ensure security, you will need to complete a quick security puzzle or CAPTCHA on the next step. Once completed, choose your preferred identity verification method, such as your recovery email address, an SMS security text code, or an authenticator app. Check your chosen method, copy the security code you receive, and enter it into the verification box. Once your identity is confirmed, create a brand new strong password and confirm it to update your security settings. You can now use your new password to securely log back into your Microsoft account across all devices. So that's basically how you can recover your Microsoft account password. That's it for this video. Thanks.